What are you eating, Jack? What did you have to eat? What kind of sandwich? Did you have peanut?
Butter.
And what?
Jelly.
Did you have peanut butter and jelly?
No.
What did you have? Peanut butter and, do you remember? What are you talking about? Are you feeling a little sniffly today? You got the sniffles? Yeah. Mom, I'm a little sniffly. You think that's funny? You got the sniffles? Go. You're silly. You got a messy face, bud. Sniffles? Should we call you Sniffles?
No.
What do we call you? Snuffles? Should we call you Snuffles?
No.
Should we call you Sniffle Sniffle? What does it sound like?
No.
Does it sounds like a nose? Do you like being sick? Yes or no? Hey, Sniffles. Sniffles! Hi, I'm Sniffles. I'm a little stuffy. You're such a goof. Where's your pretzel going? Hey, Sniffles. I heard that. Say, hi, I'm Sniffles. Can you say hi?
No.
Can you say hi, I'm Jack? Is your name Jack? Or is it Sniffles? Sniffles! Stop laughing at me, you weirdo. Are you sniffling? I don't know why you're so that funny. Why is that so funny? I heard that, Sniffles. Are you snuffling or sniffling? Is it Sniffles or Snuffles?
No.
Snuffles? Like Snuffle up? Whose name starts with Snuffle?
No.
Snuffleupagus? He has a very big nose. You like being sniffly? Oh.
Mommy, you sniffle.
Me sniffle? I can't sniffle like you. I don't have the sniffles. Oh. Jack, you're the sniffliest. Are you ready for a little nap? You ready for a sniffly nap?
I want a tissue.
You want a tissue? Okay, I'll get you a tissue. What are you going to do with it? What are you going to do with the tissue? Okay, do you want me to get you a tissue? What are you going to do with the tissue? You're going to blow your nose? You're a nut. Sniffles? Jack Sniffles Van Ryn. Is that your name?
No.
Is your middle name Sniffles? Is that your middle name? What's your middle name?
That one.
Jack Grantham. What's your last name?
Oh,
No, your last name's not Cody. It's Jack Ransom
like right.
Van Ryn. Yeah. What's Daddy's name? Cody or Daddy? Yeah. What's Daddy's last name? Do you know? What, Sniffles? What, you need an antibacterial wipe? Okay. We'll get you a tissue. What do you want to wipe your nose with? What do you need to wipe your nose? No. What do you wipe your nose with? A You're so silly.
It's Sniffles.
You Sniffles.